Hi folks, Terry Brown here coming to you with another video about the Instant Cash Solution Program. And when I was thinking about doing this video, the thought came to me was go for it. And that's what you have to do. I don't care what business that you want to build, you've got to go for it. And so, the potential with the Instant Cash Solution Program is $100 plus per day. That's the potential. All right. And if you get in your mind that that's what you want to do, then you're going to put in that effort to make sure that happens. All right. And the beautiful thing about this program is that, it's a very simple program. It's easy to share. All right. And we have, classified ads program and all of that. Everything that you need to really build this business is contained within the system itself. Now, I've got a special team bonus that I want to share with you. I've been putting something together and I've been waiting to get it out, and because, my goal is to help people to make money online. My goal is to help people grow and develop as individuals. Okay. And, part of the process is when you build your business, you build yourself. Okay. You grow your business, you grow your life. I mean, to me, that's what it's really all about. And if we can help people to do that, then that's what we want to do. All right. Again, this is the Instant Cash Solution Program is a simple copy and paste business. Okay. Very easy, very simple. I like doing videos. All right. So that's something that I do. And I would encourage people to do videos. If you can, do it. You've got a phone with a with a camera on it and all of that good stuff. Do a video. All right. Learn to do it. I used to hate videos, but now I do them and I got used to doing them and I actually like doing them now. Okay. But I want to share with you about this team bonus that I put together. Okay. And let me get out the way here. I call this the Motivated Marketers Program. Okay, so that's what I'm introducing to you today, and it's for people who join my team. Okay, that's whether you join with me or you join with somebody who has joined under me. Then everybody can participate in the Motivated Marketers Program. It's absolutely free. And what is it? It's a daily email support system, okay, where you will receive support, inspiration, motivation, business building strategies, advertising, marketing ideas, and resources. Now think about this. This is in addition to the information that you'll receive in the Instant Cash Solution Program, okay? So we've got something, and to me this is exciting because I've always wanted to do something that, I really want to help other people, to motivate, to inspire other people to keep going. Because again, if you're going to build a business, I don't care if it's this business or what business you're in, guess what? One thing you got to have, your mindset has definitely got to be right. You got to have the right attitude, and then you've got to take action, because without action, guess what? Nothing at all is going to happen. So this support system will give you something every day that will help you to take action. Even if you've got 30 minutes a day, and that's really all you need. Even if you've got 30 minutes a day, then you can do it with this program. Very powerful. Okay. Now, if you can use some extra money, then I would say check this out. Okay. And again, all you do is you're going to write or you're going to post pre-written ads, okay, to the classified ad sites. See, the ads are already written for you. That's why I wanted to change that. No, you don't have to write them. You just post them, okay? You're going to post them to social media sites. You're going to post them to classified ad sites, and there are dozens of them, and we have ways to make it that easy for you, okay? So everything is in place here that you can build an incredible business with this opportunity. Okay. So do you need to make money fast? Do you need to make money now? Do you need to make money? All right. Then this is perfect for you. It's perfect for people who need more income. It's for those who are struggling financially, for people who hate their jobs, people who are tired of scams, people who want a better life. Perhaps somebody's unemployed or underpaid or disabled, or the college students or retirees. Then this is the business for them. Okay. And the beautiful thing about what we do is that, you post the ads, people see your ads, they visit your websites. Some will buy, many will buy. There'll be some that won't. Okay. But that's all right, because you're going to be contacting so many people with our help, with our system. You're going to be contacting a lot of people. Okay. And a lot of people are going to get in front of your advertising. All right. Now, we provide you with time-tested, proven ads, and all you do is post these ads and let our sales funnel make money for you. Okay. The website does the selling and the telling for you so that you don't have to do it. It really is this simple. Okay. And if I can do this, then anyone can do it. Okay. You don't need any computer skills. You don't need any sales skills. You don't need a list. Okay. No bugging friends or family. I always hated to bug friends and family when I was trying to build a business. Hated all that. Okay. But now finally a system that anyone can make money with. Okay. And we just want you to take a look for yourself and see if there's something that really does resonate with you. Now, if this resonates with you, guess what? Then you've got to take action and get started. Now, you can come in for as little as $100 and $129. That's the lowest entry fee. Okay. And then, but from there, you can make $100 every day. Okay. From there, you can make $100 every day. But I think I've said everything that I wanted to say in this video. And so I'm about to close out right now. I just want, once again, you to think about this. Okay. My Motivated Marketers program for people who join my team. Grab the link, okay, in the description area of this video. Grab that link. Access the information today. Get started today. Don't delay. Don't procrastinate. Don't let fear, doubt, and unbelief stop you. Guess what? You can do this business. Just get in your mind. A lot of people stop because of their mindset. I'm telling you, get started today and go for it. And allow my Motivated Marketers program to help you build this business. I'm Terry Brown. I'm checking out. You be blessed wonderfully today. Bye-bye now.